Okay, let us talk about erase command. Erase command is used to delete objects on your screen or drawing. So you can select the object and just press delete on your keyboard. That will erase the object. Okay. If you want to go with the command, shortcut is E enter. If in any case delete is not working, you can always go with E enter. Select the objects you want to erase and enter. That will erase out the objects. Okay, very simple command. Now there is always a undo command. If I erase something, I can press Ctrl Z for undo, but also there is a fun option or fun command for undoing what you have erased. So I'm just deleting this. There is a command called oops. Okay, OOPS, oops. Oops, what it will do is it will undo previous erase command. So whatever you have erased in previous, let us say I am erasing this, then I am erasing this, and then if I go oops, it will only undo the previous erased objects. Okay, so that is the difference between oops and undo. Okay, so that's a fun option with erase, oops command. Then one more command we will be talking in this video, that is wipeout command. A wipeout is something like erase, but it is not actually erasing the object. So let us say I don't want to see in this area, that will be wiped out. Then I can draw whatever I want in that area, and then I will select the wipeout region and delete. So those rectangles will be placed in that area without any reference of the previous objects. Okay, so wipeout is just wiping out those objects for some period of time. So if you want to have a clean area where you have to draw something, you can use wipeout command. Again, wipeout, I want to wipe out this area, so just draw that area here. That area will be wiped out. Then I can draw different objects in this area without any reference of the background objects, but those background objects are there behind the wipeout area. So if I delete that wipeout area, those objects will appear again. That's the wipeout option. Thank you.